Today, I'm sharing a go-to recipe that I use all the time. It's incredibly versatile and can be used in countless other recipes. Today, we're making the easiest and most flavorful baked chicken cutlets. You can use these chicken cutlets in so many other recipes. You're going to want this recipe in your arsenal. If you really like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a big difference and I'd be forever grateful. And be sure to grab the full printable recipe in the video description below. Okay, so the first thing we need to do for our oven-baked chicken cutlets is to make our seasoning blend. So in this little bowl, I'm going to add some Italian seasoning. I have my own custom blend. I will share the link to that in the show notes. I'm also going to add some paprika and some onion powder and some garlic powder. And then of course we need to season everything well, so some salt and pepper. So we're just gonna give that a good stir just to get everything combined. Perfect. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is prep our chicken. So here I have some thin chicken cutlets. I bought them already thin in the meat department. However, if you can only find the big fat ones at your store, you can buy those and just slice them through the middle and thin them out. Because remember, a thin chicken breast will cook faster than those big old fat ones. If you don't want to cut them, you can still use the fat ones. You're just going to need to bake them a little longer. All right, so we're gonna get those on our baking sheet. I like to line it with parchment. It just makes cleanup easier. I just gotta scooch everybody down a little bit. Make room here. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna drizzle this with a little bit of olive oil. Just enough to get everybody coated. And then we're going to get everything seasoned up nicely with our seasoning blend. So both sides, olive oil and seasoning blend. I'm just making sure we get a good coating all over. And that's all. We are going to pop these into a pretty hot oven and they're going to bake for about 15-20 minutes or until a meat thermometer reads 165 degrees set in the thickest spot. Okay, our chicken is done. Remember I said we're looking for 165 in the thickest part of the chicken. This is spot on. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, and it smells amazing. All those seasonings that we put on top, just perfect. So just look at how pretty these are. These turn out perfect every single time. That's why it's a staple in my kitchen. Now, before we give them a taste, let's talk about some of the ways you can use this chicken. First, it's perfect for slicing and topping your favorite salad, like my classic Caesar salad. I'll share the link to that in the show notes. Next, my husband loves them in a wrap and he tops it with mixed greens and Italian vinaigrette for a quick lunch. And then my son Joey, he loves burrito bowls and this chicken is perfect. Slice it up with some cilantro lime rice, black bean and corn salsa, and a big dollop of guac. Now, how would you repurpose these chicken cutlets? Make sure you leave me a comment and let me know because I could always use some more inspiration. So it is now time. We are going in. I'm gonna take this guy right here, get him on the plate. Come on. Slide this over. Perfectly juicy. You can see the juice coming out of this. It is absolutely perfect. Tender, juicy, hot, very hot. So flavorful. These baked chicken cutlets are absolutely perfect and definitely a keeper. If you love easy chicken recipes, you're going to love my easy oven fried chicken. It's so crispy and juicy, you won't believe it's not fried. You can check it out here. I'll see you there.